This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down camera metadata and immediate footage checks. This saves hours later. Input focal length and sensor size, then correct lens distortion before tracking so reprojection stays accurate. Once done, scrub the clip and pick a 5200 frame range with good parallax. This gives stable depth estimation. You should mark 820 high contrast features across the scene, prioritizing corners and texture. Do not chase moving objects. Save a copy so you can return if manual cleaning is needed. You run the solver to get a first estimate of camera motion. Look at reprojection error and distribution immediately because averages hide bad points. If necessary, set keyframes to anchor the solve and add a ground plane or horizon constraint to establish orientation and scale. Once the solve stabilizes, remove outlier tracks and refine the lens model. This tightens residuals and improves point geometry. Finally, optimize both camera paths and 3D points together. Make sure motion looks smooth in both viewport and playback. You now bake the tracked camera and export to your DCC with the correct unit and axis orientation, so motion matches downstream scenes. Then attach simple geometry or a grid to validate the track. Play through to confirm alignment at key frames and occlusions behave correctly. If jitter or drift remain, increase track density and include longer sequences for global context, or rerun the solve using more robust keyframes. As a last resort, check for rolling shutter or lens parameter errors. Correcting those usually fixes stubborn artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.